If the world listened to me for 2 minutes, I'd say, a year from today, you'll be one of two people, either regretting you skipped this video or crying tears of joy that you clicked play. Your life will change in a year, but 99% of people make a fatal mistake. They think change requires earth-shattering effort, when the truth is, that belief is what's destroying you. Get 1% better daily, and you'll be 37 times stronger in a year. But lose 1% daily, and you'll shrink to 3% of yourself. You're already choosing one path. But are you even aware you're choosing? You've saved 217 self-discipline videos, but never made it to day 3? Because every guru lied to you. Motivation won't change you. Math will. Right now, open your notes app and write, do one thing future me will thank me for. 5-minute workout, 1 page of a book, to 1 new word. Then screenshot this moment. See those day 365 comments? A year ago, they were exactly where you are now. A year from today, when you wake up in a new room, staring at the upgraded version of yourself, you'll remember this 2-minute video and that life-changing day 1 was today.